Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hide folders or files in Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the desktop and select new and select folder and type any name you want, and after that you just need to right click on the folder and select properties, check mark hidden, and then select apply and OK. And now the folder is invisible guys. Now if you want to see this hidden folder, then you just need to open up File Explorer and select view on the top and select show and check mark hidden items. And now just to close stuff here, now you can able to see the hidden files on our computer. And that's how you can hide a folder or files in Windows 11. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.